Hey guys, this is Aaron from Breakdance Decoded, and for today's video we're going to talk about how to pop your legs while you are chaining your freezes. So a lot of b-boys, when they learn how to chain their freezes, I see all these weird kicking leg motions which I feel is not efficient. So today we're going to introduce how to actually pop your legs. I wouldn't say it's one of the only ways, but it's one of the more correct ways to efficiently use your legs while chaining your freezes. This is a negative example of chaining your freezes and wildly kicking your legs. This is a positive example of using the pop technique to chain your freezes. We are going to start learning the pop technique from the backspin position. As you can see, when you're extending your legs, you want to bring your knees back to your chest sharply. If you do it correctly, you would be able to lift off the ground in the backspin while doing the hop. Take note that you have to bring your knees to your chest as shown, not your chest to your knees. This is a slow-mo shot of the pop in the backspin position and a one freeze example. Now I need you to go back and look at all your freezes and try to chain them using this technique. If this technique helped you, please pop it in the comments as well. So, if you're looking for any other freeze technique transitions, feel free to put it in the comments too.